Hi, I'm Emmy. Welcome to my channel, Yoga with Em. Thanks for joining me. This is the Five Tibetans practice. So you're either joining to find out about the Five Tibetans or you're going to do a monthly challenge with me. Let's begin here with 5 repetitions of each of the 5 Tibetan exercises, also known as the Fountain of Youth. Let's get going. Tibetan rite is spinning. We're going to take our arms out so our hands are level with our shoulders, palms face up. I'm going to turn anti-clockwise and we're going to take 5 repetitions pretty slowly. Let's begin. Take 3 rounds of breath with me to integrate this exercise. Breathing in to reach up and breathing out. Find your center. The second of the Tibetan rites is the leg lifts. Come to laying down. Palms down on the mat. Option is to do this with bent knees. Engage your core. Inhale, legs lift and head lifts. Exhale with control. 5 repetitions, and know that you can take a break if you need to in between reps. Once you've completed your 5 reps, allow your body to relax and take 3 slow rounds of breath. Allow this exercise to integrate. For our third exercise of the third Tibetan rites, come to kneeling. This exercise is based on camel pose. Bring your hands to your lower back. Draw the heart center forward. We're taking 5 repetitions moving with our breath. Begin with chin to chest. Inhale, eye gaze up. Exhale, return chin towards chest. And one more round. Come to sitting down closer to your mat and take 3 rounds of breath to let this exercise integrate. Once you've completed your 3 rounds of breath, come to seated on your mat. The fourth of the exercises is based on reverse tabletop. Begin seated with your hands beside you. Lengthen through the spine. As you inhale, bring your feet to the mat. Press the hips the sky. Exhale, lower down. 4 more just like these. Inhaling to press on up. Exhaling to lower down. You've got 1 more to do in this set. And once again, seated on your mat, take 3 rounds of breath to let this exercise integrate. The 5th of the Tibetan rites is also called the pendulum. We're going to be switching between downward facing dog for the breath out and upward facing dog for the breath in. Begin in tabletop. The option is to keep your knees on the mat for this exercise. Otherwise, tuck your toes under, send your hips high, breath out. Breathing in, let the hips lower to the mat, roll over the feet, draw heart center forward, upward facing dog, breath in. Breath out, downward facing dog. So we've got 3 more rounds. Move with your breath. Last round. And once you've completed this final set, melt on down to your mat in child's pose, taking 3 rounds of breath to let the whole practice integrate. And if you're starting your day, you might set an intention for yourself here, an intention for your day. Maybe you stay for more than 3 rounds of breath if you have time. As you're ready, welcome yourself up to sitting. Our practice is complete. Thank you so much for joining me for day 1. Namaste.